Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Hey bestie! Now I know it's not normal for me to be outside on a bright afternoon like this, but today I got invited out to an Uncover community event. It's supposed to be a sip and paint shindig, and yeah, it'll be a first for me because I've never done sip and paint before. So like I'm super excited. So yeah, I want y'all to come with me and just spend the day with me, see how it all goes, see what I paint, and so on and so forth. So enjoy.
I did for that when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pin all over. My feelings to this swing like Django Lover. Feelings to this swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 Another banger.
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it.
Kilo fait on m'a tête chocolat. Fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, chocolate. Bush it in, imade. Double see le kilo fait. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in your body. I'm a damn easy, baby. And you want gon' give me control. Even want to get already. I'ma make up my you. I'ma need your gun, I go my you. I'ma need your gun, maybe, do maybe. I don't money there, do maybe don't go carry belly. Do maybe, let wanna me see, yeah. Come see, baby,
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it, get it, bong, bong, bong,
Fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this. So if I hear see want I go vex. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money. Toge maki ewa. Messi agbe oya palangba money ijoya. Shade ijoya. Cheka wole patako. Mama sexy mama. Follow me come on ijoya.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. My feelings for me. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I me the mess of my mind. And I me the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go quiet. Yeah, you could leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way.
And then came the crux of the whole event, which was to try out and compare two different variants of the Uncover I Am Smooth Moisturizer, the old one and a new one that they are working on. But for me, the new moisturizer was more lightweight, but the old one absorbed faster for some reason. Yeah, it's weird, but both formulas were super moisturizing, and honestly, I couldn't choose one. All right, bestie. Thank you so much for watching this vlog to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. I can't believe I painted this masterpiece from this blank sheet to this Picasso. See you in my next video. Bye.